Alleged Google Pixel Buds 3 design revealed in patent images. While we're still waiting for Google to start selling its Pixel Buds 2 that got announced alongside the Pixel 4 series last October at Made by Google 2019 event, alleged Pixel Buds 3's design is said to have leaked online. The images come from a sketchy patent filed by Google with the China National Intellectual Property Administration (CNIPA), believed to be spotted first by 91 mobiles. Take a look at them. Going by the images, the Pixel Buds 3 could be more compact and smaller than the Pixel Buds 2. The fins and ear tips featured on the Pixel Buds 2 appears to be missing here. However, do keep in mind that this is an early patent design and the Pixel Buds 3 might not look like this when it comes out, after all. We could expect Google to announce these earbuds alongside the Pixel 5 series. To recall, the Pixel Buds 2 features in-ear detection, 12mm speaker drivers, touch controls, Google Assistant support, and 5 hours of playback time that extends up to 24 hours with the wireless charging case. As one would naturally expect, Pixel Buds 3 should be an improvement in terms of battery life. Google Pixel Buds 2 got listed twice for pre-orders this year. The first time, it was listed in February on third-party online retail store B&H Photo, and earlier this month, the earbuds were spotted on another retailer named Apt Electronics. Moreover, the earbuds passed through FCC last month. Now that Pixel Buds 2 has not been up for sales so far, we might be seeing them retail along with the Pixel 4a series, which is also expected to be coming sometime next month.